Hi there. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm sending you ethereal hugs and love wherever you are on this amazing planet. Today's presentation is about angels, specifically how to communicate with these celestial beings. There are many benefits to working with holy angels and holy archangels. They can guide you through tribulation, navigate you around obstacles, speed up the natural healing process of the body, bring answers and solutions. They can assist you in finding a new job. They can teach you to grow your own business. They can help you attract money or love and the right people and the right circumstances for you to thrive and evolve. Angels and light beings exist all around us. They are here. We usually cannot see them, but they are here, and they are waiting to help and assist humanity. People just like you, and all you have to do is ask them. You have to ask, because if you don't, then they cannot help you. Angels cannot and will not interfere with human free will. Only if a life is on the line, then a guardian angel can swoop in and perform a miracle save. But this is about working with the holy angels and the holy archangels in our everyday lives. Because if you ask the angels to help you and guide you, then they are more than happy to do so. I promise you, they are wanting more people under their angelic ministry. Now, initially, at first, the angels communicate with most people through their subconscious mind, because only those gifted or trained by grace speak with the angels face to face. And this subconscious communication, it does not necessarily involve the use of language. Images, impressions, emotions are the usual form of dialogue at first. Now, the good news is that after one becomes more experienced by visualizing and practicing communicating with the angels, he or she gradually becomes attuned to the vibrational frequency of the angelics, and in most cases, a direct form of communication will develop. Now, I found that the very best way to communicate with the angels is to write them a petition. Handwritten letters that include the angels' favorite colors and favorite symbols. And if done correctly and with good intention, then the angels will shine grace upon you, and they will show their favor by bringing you a sign, an actual physical sign, an omen. And when this happens, it is very amazing and powerful. So I totally recommend working with angels and holy archangels. Now, in order to do this, you must first know exactly who these teaching angels are and what matters fall under each angel's regency. I'll provide a few examples. Holy Archangel Gabriel of the Moon, for matters concerning better quality of sleep, lucid dreaming, receiving answers during sleep, developing visualization skills, enhancing our imagination, and more. Holy Archangel Gabriel is also the angel to go to bring blessings into your home. If you need furniture, appliances, a new fence, anything that your home needs, or maybe you need a whole new house, Gabrielle can assist you in obtaining these necessities in less time and with less effort and energy. Holy Archangel Raphael of Mercury, for all matters concerning communication or safe travel. Raphael is principally the angel of communications, contracts, documents, computers, and language itself. Raphael can help you develop fluency of thought, improve your focus and concentration. Therefore, he's the go-to angel for examinations or a test of any kind. Angel Sashiel of Jupiter. This is the angel for all financial matters. Ask Sashiel to help you find a job or to increase your business. Ask Sashiel to help you earn more money and expect to put effort into it, and Sashiel will move mountains for you. Holy Angel Sashiel can improve any financial situation and bring the expansion of good fortune and good luck. Holy Angel Sashiel also oversees legal matters, everything from minor issues to court cases. Holy Angel Sashiel reconciles human justice with divine justice. Holy Archangel Hanael of Venus. Hanael's primary function is to increase love, affection, and harmony, and the creation of all beauty on this amazing planet. This archangel presides over love affairs and affections between people and relationships of all kinds, friends, family, and romantic love. Now, when writing petitions to the holy angels and the holy archangels, it is very useful to know which day of the week is sacred to contact each specific angel, and their colors, symbols, time orbits, and actual physical signs. Remember, I said before, if your petition is done correctly and with proper intention, the angels will shine grace upon you and show their favor by bringing an actual physical sign. And this is very life-changing, the first time that it ever happens to you. Now, for an example, if you have written Holy Archangel Gabrielle a petition, you may receive a gift of melon, lychees, or pears, a gift of silver or white flowers, a strange dog barking outside of or entering your home or yard, also for a baby to visit your home for the first time, an unexpected gift in the form of shellfish, or an invitation to dinner with shellfish being served. Holy Archangel Raphael may signal consent by a bird entering your home or making a nest in your tree, the gift of a bird, or a squawking bird giving you a message, to be given yellow flowers, or any ornament of birds, monkeys, or flies. Holy Angel Sashiel shows favor through abundance signs. To find a foreign coin in your change or to find money on the street is a sign of financial increase. To take a surprise trip to the sea or voyage by boat, to receive unexpected news about a sailor or fisherman, to receive any gift with designs of elephants, fish, mermaids, whales, dolphins, or anything from the sea. To be given purple flowers or purple grapes, or to be given the gift of money, or to see a person of loyalty. Also, if a bee enters your home, or to see a queen bee. Holy Archangel Hanael, if you received a gift of apples, to hear the cooing of doves, For a dove to enter your home or take residence in your yard, to receive an article of blue or pink clothing, a present of lavender mist, roses, or anything ornamented with roses. Also, for a ring of any kind to be given to you, or to find a ring of any kind. If you'd like to know more about holy angels and holy archangels, then cruise on over to missionascension.com. There's an overreaching system for communicating with angels that you can sign up for. You will learn more holy angels and holy archangels, their colors, their signs, their symbols, their time orbits, and much more. You will also learn the secret angelic scripts, everything that you need to develop a direct line of communication with the holy angels and the holy archangels. So check it out. It's missionascension.com. Thank you very much for being here today. It's an honor to be your sister on this journey. Please push like on this video and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you very much. I'm sending you angelic light beams in peace, love, and light.